Hi, I'm Lisa Locke, and I want to tell you a little bit about why I wrote this book. Blockbuster Love, How to Create Lasting Love, Book 2 Reality, is really close to my heart, and I'm so excited to share it with you because it's not just about romance. It's about what happens after the honeymoon, after the fireworks, when love meets real life. I don't know about you, but I've always loved movies. There's just something magical about them, how they bring people together, how they tell stories that move us, make us laugh, cry, and see ourselves more clearly. At the heart of so many great films certainly like the ones we'll discuss in the book, like Brown Sugar, The Matrix, As Good as It Gets, at the heart of it is love. But real love, the kind that lasts, is not always like the movies. And I think deep down, we all want something more than just a beautiful beginning. We want a love that's strong, steady, and real. A love that holds us through the hard stuff and grows because of it. That's why I wrote this book. It's for people who still believe in love, but also know that it takes work. It's for couples and individuals who want to build something that lasts, not just in theory, but in real life. Inside the book, you'll find stories and tools and insights and even some exercises to help you navigate the everyday stuff like financial management and parenting and intimacy issues, the kind of stuff that can pull couples apart or bring them closer together. Because I believe we're all wired for connection. And when love is honest, grounded, intentional, it becomes one of the most powerful things in our lives. So if you're ready for love that doesn't just look good on the screen, but feels good in real life, I hope you'll join me on this journey. Thanks for listening, and thank you for believing in love that lasts.